What is up, YouTube? This your boy Investor Pat back at it again with another video. Make sure you hit that like, share, and comment button. Let's get paid. On today's video, we're talking about Bondex and how you can land a job with Bondex. So Bondex is something like LinkedIn. So basically dealing with crypto Web3 and AI. So basically they're looking for the creative. You know what I'm saying? If you are good at creating or a developer for AI and blockchain, this would be great for you to start your your job. So basically they have a list of jobs where you can apply to for, Web3 and a blockchain. It's pretty cool. So basically what you do, all you gotta do is apply and have a good resume. You don't need all the fancy extra stuff. Basically just put your resume, bam, and you gotta qualify, make sure you have the experience and whatever they're looking for, you must have on your, your resume. Bondex is a crypto, so basically you can mine the crypto and add people to your network and monetize your network. And I will leave a link in the description so you guys can click to get the bonus for the Bondex. So basically with Bondex, to get your your application to be seen more, you can just add Bondex token. So basically you add the Bondex token to your resume to get it seen first. So the more Bondex token you use to other competitors, you can get seen first. So if somebody put 5 Bondex, you put 10, your application will be seen first because you put more Bondex. So in order to get Bondex, you need a strong community. So yeah, Bondex is cool, it's new. So basically get that right now. This is the website. All you want to do, go to bondex.com, sign up for an account. Cool. So Bondex is a crypto. Like I said, you can check out the crypto price, and they're having a good airdrop right now. They're dropping a 6,000 coin airdrop on it. It's like 15%, 15 cent per token. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You go ahead and get that airdrop. You know what I'm saying? Stake whatever you want to do with the Bondex token. The more Bondex token, the better. Like I said, you can mine it on the Bondex app. So yeah, go ahead and get Bondex. It's cool right now. Make sure you guys hit the like button, share the friends and family, and let's get paid. Bondex, monetize your network.